Hi, my name is Ellie, and in a series of tutorials, I'm going to show you how to use the features of VEDAMO Virtual Classroom. I hope you find this useful.
The timer feature in our virtual classroom allows you to manage the duration of specific activities, set deadlines, transitions, or breaks during the session. You can also use it with questionnaires, games, discussions, and also to develop time awareness with all the session activities. To access the timer, click on the three dots at the bottom of your screen and choose Timer. You can set any time frame you like and choose a group where the exercise panel will start. It will then become visible at the top of the screen. The timer works like a countdown watch or an hourglass. The timer can be independently set for every group in case there are multiple groups in the classroom. Therefore, you need to set it up for each group individually. From the timer box, you can add or remove minutes, pause, or remove the timer altogether. The timer allows you to create well-organized and efficient virtual classroom environment and promote a sense of structure within the learning experience.
Thank you for watching. You can also check the detailed step-by-step article in the description of this video. Happy teaching!